making the vintage paper, you will need paper cutter, scissor, A4 sheets, old newspaper, piece of thick cloth. This you can cut from the collar of your dad's old shirt. The material is called bukram. This is tea extract water. I've boiled 1 cup water and 3 spoon tea to make it. Black stamp, or as alternative you can use black poster color as well. Sponge is a must. I've cut it from unused Scotch Brite. Next, any type of pen to hold papers in place. Take the A4 sheet and cut it in half. Now make sure you stir the water well, or else you won't get the desired results, as I didn't for the first time. Dip both the papers completely in the water and spread tiny droplets on it for a textured look. Let it dry completely for like 15 minutes. Flip it over and repeat the process. When the papers are completely dry, fold them in half and start stamping the 3 sides of the paper. This will give it a feel of old burnt look. Then I'm also adding the color in streaks on the center to add more texture. Final results will definitely give you vintage vibes. I have already put all the required pages in place. This is 1 part glue and 3 part water. This bukram I will stick here later for better stability. But firstly I will apply the glue on the spine of the papers to make them stick together. Make sure you use old newspaper or else your platform will get really messy. Let it dry completely and repeat the process for 3 times. After it gets dry completely, apply Fevicol on the spine and glue the cloth on it. Use paper clips to secure it in place. Making the book cover, you would need scissor, X-Acto knife, brushes, poster colors. This is yellow ochre, this is burnt sienna, oil pastel colors, glue, fevistick, A4 sheet, cardboard sheet. This is 11.5 and 16.5 centimeter. These both are similar, and this is 1.5 centimeter broad. And tissue papers. Take the cardboard sheet and cut the pieces with the help of paper cutter or scissor as preferable. Leave very little space in between and glue the pieces on the sheet. Make sure they are in a straight line. Now cut the sides in triangle and with the help of glue stick, paste it inwards. And cover the inside part with another paper. Take a tissue paper and crush it completely. Now apply the mixture on one side of the cover and place the tissue on it, and then apply another coat over it. Fold the remaining tissue and glue it inside. Now take the small crushed pieces of tissue and start pasting it on the cover with the help of this mixture. This process will help the cover get beautiful texture as well as it will make it more sturdy. Follow the same process for both the sides. Now comes the fun part. I'm using burnt sienna to paint the entire cover. I've decided not to use the yellow ochre because I was satisfied with this look. But you can definitely play around and let me know in the comment section how it ended up for you guys. Now I am taking oil pastels to highlight the texture. Apply little color at a time and smudge it with your thumb. Keep building the colors until you're satisfied with the look. I have used the shades of yellow, green and blue in it. I've trimmed the extra cloth and pasted the papers inside the cover. I'm decorating it further by writing memories and pasting it on the cover, and then I'm adding half pearl sticker. And we're done.